Hello everyone, this lesson is on straight line graphs, part 2, Haggerty clip number 207. So you can go over to there and have a go at the task once you've watched the video. Pretty simple today, all it is gradient and y-intercept. Now these two things you need to know about. So what these are, if we have a graph with an x and y axis, y is always going up and x is always going across, and you have a straight line, like say for instance this line here, then the gradient is the steepness of the line. That's your steepness. So if it was a steep line like that, it's got a higher gradient because it's steeper. If it's a very shallow line, it's not very steep, it'll be a lower gradient. So the steeper the line, the higher the gradient. The shallower the line, the lower the gradient. And the other thing is the y-intercept, which is this point here, where the line cuts the y-axis. So that's called the y-intercept. Okay, and that's it. Now if we say an equation, say y equals 3x plus 2, the gradient is 3 and the y-intercept is 2. So this number is gradient, the number in front of x, and this number is the y-intercept, which is the other number. It's plus 2 here is the y-intercept. Okay, now another example, y equals 4x plus 1. We can make this a bit simpler by saying m equals 4 and c equals 1. Okay, so the number in front of x is m and the other number is c. So what we're saying is that the gradient, instead of writing the word gradient all the time, we just use the letter m, and instead of writing the y-intercept all the time, we use the letter c. So your turn, let's see if you can do that. Y equals 2x plus 5. I want you to write down m and c. Pause the video, have a go. Okay, m equals 2 and c equals 5. Yeah? Easy, isn't it? Y equals 7x minus 3. In this case, m will be 7 and c will be minus 3. Pause the video and have a go at this one. Y equals 6x minus 4. And I want you to find out m and c. Pause the video and have a go. Done. M is 6 and c is minus 4. Okay, easy, isn't it? Just be careful. We'll do one more together before you go to Haggerty. Let's say y equals 8 minus 4x. You've got to be very careful on this one because it's swapped over. So m is minus 4 because that's the number in front of x, and c is 8 because that's the other number. It's been swapped around. Y equals 4 minus 2x is your example. Pause the video and have a go. Okay, hopefully you did m equals minus 2 and c equals 4. Again, it's been swapped. And we will just do one more actually. Y equals 3 minus x. We want m and c. M is minus 1. That's minus 1 there. And c is 3. Okay. Hopefully you got the idea of how to get the m and c values. That's all you're going to do. Write down the values of m and c. M is the gradient and c is the y-intercept. Hop on to Haggerty, clip 207. That's your task. It'll be in your tasks there waiting for you. Good luck with that, and I'll see you again.